What's the meaning of complexion? Complexion. Complexion.
Complexion. Complexion. Complexion refers to the natural color, texture, and appearance of a person's skin. It can be affected by various factors such as genetics, diet, exposure to the sun, and skincare. A healthy complexion is generally firm, clear, and evenly toned with a radiant glow. On the other hand, an unhealthy complexion may appear dull, sallow, unevenly pigmented, or blemished. Maintaining a healthy complexion requires proper skincare routines, adequate hydration, a balanced diet, and protection from harmful UV rays. Ultimately, a glowing and vibrant complexion can boost one's confidence and contribute to overall physical and mental well-being.